So in today's video, I will guide you through on how to add dot in Adobe Acrobat. So let's say you're working on this document over here and you want to add dot. Although you can already see the bullet points dot existing, but I'm going to show you how to do that, okay? So without any further ado, let's get started. Also, a little disclaimer, you might not be able to see the toolbar in this screen recording, but you know what, that I don't think that might be a problem, because what you gotta do is just follow along. I will just guide you through each and every step so you will be able to add the dot. So first thing first, you have to go to the toolbar. I hope you know where the toolbar is at Adobe Acrobat. So go to the toolbar. Even though you might not be able to see in this video, just go to the toolbar and usually go to fifth option. You can see icon. Simply tap into and it will lead you to a drop down menu. So usually that drop down menu contains of type text, cross mark, check mark, and right below check mark you can see an option of dot. Tap into that option and now you'll be able to add the dot. So let's say I want to add dot over here. Okay, tap in there. It might seem like a bit bigger than the usual dot, so you can also like decrease or even increase the size. So let's decrease for now. I think this one looks good. And also, since this is right now blue in color, I can also change the color. Don't worry, you can simply go to the toolbar again. Even though you might not be able to see here, just go to the toolbar in your Adobe Acrobat and go to the bottom option. You can see the circle icon that says choose a color for dot. Simply tap into that icon and you will be provided with variety of colors. Let's choose the black one since it will match with other colors. And right, so this is it. So this is basically how you add dots. If you want to add dot in several other, you can simply do like this. So this is basically how you add dot. I hope this video was useful. If so, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking our video. Thank you for watching.